Hi guys, welcome back to Nestle Kitchen. My name is Emmanuel. Today we are going to make durian ice cream.
Welcome back to Ellen's Kitchen. Today we are going to make durian ice cream. Now we are going to check our ingredients. First, we need two can of cream, 1 can of condensed milk, and 2 cans of carnation evaporated milk. And durian flesh, I already take out the seeds. Okay, our first procedure, we are going to blend the durian. And to put it in the blender. Then we put the carnation milk inside. Half of the can. Now we can check the consistency the texture is very fine. Okay, just nice. We can just set aside this for our later use. Okay, now our next procedure, we are going to put together in a bowl, put the ingredients. This is the condensed milk, I don't want it to be so sweet, so I just put it 1 can of condensed milk, the carnation, now already all ingredients already here in the bowl. Now we are going to put this in the refrigerator for 2 hours. After 2 hours in the refrigerator, so the cream looks like this. Okay, it's a bit ice now. So now we are going to blend it in the slow motion for 15 minutes. Okay, now it's full. I'm going to transfer it to the container. Okay. Okay, this is our durian mango ice cream. durian ice cream. Okay, we are going to put this one in the freezer overnight, or 10 to 8 hours. Okay, so we have to cover it and put in the freezer. This is our durian ice cream. It's so creamy and so delicious. For durian lovers out there, you must try Eileen's Kitchen's durian ice cream. Thank you for watching. Bye.